Hi viewers, welcome to Option Trading की दुनिया. In this episode, I bring before you the Nifty and Banknifty levels for 10th February 2022. Today being a very important trading day because of RBI policy decision. The moment of the market is dependent on the stance what RBI takes on repo and reverse repo rates. Before I go to the analysis, let me tell my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. When you trade, you take the help of certified investment professional. Sorry, now let me come to the Nifty chart first. So Nifty's CPR, that is central pivot range, is trending higher compared with yesterday. You can see the trend. So this is trending higher. For the last few days it was trending lower. Now CPR is trending higher, indicating a bullish movement. Now let me tell you, if the market gaps up today, market gaps up and opens around 17,550, so somewhere here. So what should you do? If it opens above this 17,514, you can buy for a target of 17,600. Because we have got the resistances at 514, and there is one more resistance at 17,564. So if it opens higher and sustains above 17,514, so that is here, you can buy and hold for a target of 17,600, because the next resistance is around 17,564, and which is very closer to 17,600. Now what happens if it does not sustain above 17,445? So that is here. And comes to the pivot is around 17,428. If it does not sustain, then there is a chance that the market may fall to 17,375 levels. And today markets are volatile, so the range for market is from 17,600 to 17,375. And if 17,375 collapses, then we can have another support at around 17,228. So how should you position? So if it opens higher at around 17,550, buy for a target of 17,600. Then if it is opens flat, that is at 17,450 levels. If it does not sustain higher than 17,514, so that is this, and goes below 17,445, okay, you can sell for a target of, first target is 17,375, and the second target is 17,288. Let me come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty pivot is around 38,420. Pivot is around 38,420. So that is here. So 38,420. So that is this line. Now there is a chance that Bank Nifty also may open higher. Yeah, Bank Nifty yesterday closed at 38 602. Yeah, opens higher, and if it opens around 38 775 and sustains above, you can go long or buy it for a target of 38 936. Now what happens if the Bank Nifty is not able to sustain 38 660? If it opens higher and not able to sustain this is the top central pivot range, then do not trade, wait for it to break down and come below 38 420. Yeah, if Bank Nifty breaks 38 420, there is a chance that the next level or the next support is 38 317. Yeah, and the second support is at around 38,000, around 38,025. So what is your strategy for Bank Nifty today? If it opens higher at around 38 775 and sustains, yeah, you can buy it for a target of 38 936, and if it opens above 38 936, then also you can go long, because two resistances are there at 38 775 and 38 936. So that is the strategy for Bank Nifty today, and Bank Nifty is going to be volatile because of RBI decision. Yeah, keep your stop losses in order. Yes, next let me come to the all important FII data. Sorry, FIIs were net sellers yesterday. For the past few days they have been sellers. Yeah, they have been buying options, yeah, to hedge their positions, but they were sellers yesterday, and because of DI buying yesterday, the market rose upwards. Yeah, DIs were net buyers. Yeah. Next, let me come to the option chain to find some interesting statistics. Yeah. So what is there in the option chain? Now, if you see the option chain very clearly, yeah. So you can see this is a Nifty chain. There is open interest build up. Is open interest build up. You can see open interest build up. 1 second. Yeah. So you can see open interest build up on the call side. First, I am checking on the call side. There is heavy call build up at this place. What is this? That is 17,500. So 17,500 will be the call build up, suggests that there is heavy call writing at 17,500. The next heavy call writing it's 17,600. So 17,500 and 17,600 are going to be very big resistances. Yeah, and 17,700 is extremely high. So 500, 600, 700. So market was around 17,460 level something yesterday's closing. So accordingly 500, 600 and 700 is going to be the high resistance. Now come to the put side. You can see the put writing. If you see the put writing is heavy at 17,400. 17,400 is the first major support. Yeah, then 17,300. 17,300. You cannot see any put writing, yeah, above 17,500, which means, yeah, nobody is 17,400 is going to be the support. No more support on the higher side. Yeah, indicating that, yeah, upside is open. Upside is open, but call writing is there. So the range for the market is from 17,400 to 17,600. If it crosses convincingly above 600, it can go to 17,500. 700. So that is the analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. Thank you for watching my channel. Yeah, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share. I will be providing you the Nifty and Bank Nifty for every trading day. Thank you.